Hi, I'm Shaw Grigsby. You know, there's a number of items that we have in our life that we really want to protect. We want to keep them for a long time. Our trucks, our boats, things that you spend a lot of money on. Best way to do it, clean them and protect them. Keeping them clean, nothing better than Starbrite. I've used this Extreme Clean. This is the ultimate Extreme Clean. I use it on everything. You can spray it on a wheel and takes all the brake dust off. You get all the grease, grime. It's safe for anything. It's really not harsh, so that's great. Spray and wipe, you've got that piece of equipment that you really like clean. And then to protect it, the ultimate Xtreme Protectant. This is a UV product, so it's just like sunscreen that I put on every day to go fishing. This is sunscreen for your boat, for plastics, for dashboards, for anything that could fade. You spray, we're gonna wipe it off, and look what it's gonna do. It's gonna restore that thing, it's gonna protect it from the sun. You're gonna have a nice, shiny, every bit of rubbers and plastics and things and vinyls that just break down. If you want your products to last long, your boat, your truck, things that you really cherish, Extreme Clean to keep them clean, Extreme Protectant to protect it, you clean and protect. That's what Starbrite is all about.